In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Terrabox buffering problem. So make sure you just have to check your speed test or connection test. Just click this, run speed test, and you have to find out if your connection is fast. And if your connection is fast, no problem. You just have to clear cake your window app and make sure your window app is in its update. And also, if you are cell phone, make sure you clear cache too, or you could also use an install and install again, and make sure you have extra space, or make sure that your app or your application is in its up to date, so it will, because that would cause the buffering problems in your Terrabox. And when you have opened many tabs or many applications, make sure to delete them to reduce the buffering problems of your Terrabox like this. And you have YouTube or Facebook or something else, just X them to reduce the problems of your Terrabox. And that's it.